Hello, this is Alicia Duffy, Team Duffy. I just wanted to put a quick video on doing your e-file. So you just go to the website, the efileprotest.collincad.org, and when you go there, you'll have an e-file PIN number that you'll enter, and if you hadn't set up a profile, you'll have to do that. But once you do that, then you just enter the number right there where it says to e-file protest. And they're going to have you upload the evidence, which is the comp sheets, after you've done this part. So you're just going to fill in the comments on why you think that your house should not be valued that high. And on my website, the teamduffy.com/protest, I've got several different papers and links that have different reasons why you can put on there. But pretty much you're trying to make your house look worse than the house that has sold already. So anything from repairs to updates, need a new fence, different things like that. You can enter all those there. And you just fill in your information. And then once you hit the bottom to accept, then you wait for them to send you an email. And then you'll upload your comps. And that's it. It's pretty simple.